Okay, so now we are going to start a mock interview for our student Romil, and this interview is for DRDO. So Romil, first of all, you tell us about yourself.
Sir, my name is Romil Kumar. I am from Patna. I completed my 10th from Don Bosco Academy, which was one of the best school in my states. I completed my 10+2 from St. Carlos Secondary Schools. I completed my post graduation from computer science branch in from IIT Mesnarachi, and then I completed my post graduation from NITIE Goa in computer science. And after that, I even during MTech, actually, I even published my paper. That paper was an improved fluoro verification against the priority passing attack in SDA.
Okay, so what motivated you to join for DRDO?
Sir, actually, right from the childhood, actually, I got inspired from the scientists like Einstein, Newton, and APJ Abdul Kalam. So that inspired me to be like one of them. So actually, later on, then when I become young, actually, I find myself to be very much interested in research. So so I decided, so it became my passion, and decided to become the scientist. So after that, sir, even later on, I see, sir, I'm very much interested in regarding information getting from, the defense update, like what the DRDO has been. Suppose Agni 5 have been tested, which was 5,000 kilometer, now extended to 7,000 kilometer. BrahMos has been, which was raised 500 kilometer, now planning for 1,000 kilometers. So this was the news I used to take an update, and I feel very good. So I decided for that, it's better to go into DRDO because it's the best platform for me, because I'm interested in getting all the news from that organizations only. So I decided to join, looking to join DRDO, sir.
So what is your long-term career objective?
So my actually objective is to join, is to work in DRDO and to do something actually very interesting work that is to my area of field. And after that, sir, so that I can contribute to my country also, and it will work. It will also interest in my actually following my passion also, or doing some and I will be able to also contribute to my society and humanity also, like this, sir. Because through my research work, I contribute, sir.
Okay. So what subjects you have prepared well for your interview?
So it's going to be data structure and networking.
Data structure and network.
So yes, sir. Computer networks.
Computer networks.
Yes, sir.
So why these two subjects?
Because, sir, first my MTech project even was on SDN. Actually, it was a networking also, and I find myself very much interested in networking because I feel because I think I have got better skill in this area. So even I did. That's why I choose my MTech project to doing on networking only.
Okay. And how are you in mathematics?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. It's okay.
How important is mathematics for a computer science engineer or scientist?
So it's very important because right, even in computer network for security, you need a mathematics to compute even either modular arithmetics or Euler theorems, and it's very much used in RSA algorithms or encryption decryptions. It's very much used over there.
So what topic of mathematics is your strong topic?
It's probability.
Probability.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, what is a random variable?
Random variables are actually a variable. Actually, it's a variable which say what is the probability of outcome. Probability. What is the probability of that event?
Okay. So how is your interest and knowledge in current trends like machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science? Do you have any inclination towards these areas also?
Sir, have a little bit interest in, sir, not this, but Internet of Things, sir. Yeah.
IoT.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about blockchain? Do you know something about blockchain?
Uh, Sir, just no, sir, because I'm very little bit of a little bit of information about that, sir.
Okay. So tell us about your family.
Actually, sir, my father is a doctor. He's a very good doctor of heart, who's a specialist in chest. So my mother is a housewife, who's very good food. And so both are doing their job, which are very much passionate about. So I wanted to.
Generally, kids of doctors become doctor mainly, but you have chosen different path. Why?
Yes, sir, because I feel like I was following my intuitions. My intuitions say I'm very fit for doing engineering and all the research work, and that I just followed my intuitions, sir. Yes, my parents want, definitely my father wished me a very well desired that I would go in a medical line, but I just followed my intuitions, what my inner voice was, and I just followed that, sir. And that's why where I feel like I will do excellence because just I'm following my intuition. That's it, sir.
Okay. Ma'am? Aman sir?
हाँ जी सर. Okay, so Romil,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
आपको मैं दो functions देता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
First is 3 into
Yes, sir.
n raised to power n.
So repeat, sir.
N raised to 3 into n raised to power root n.
Okay, sir.
And the second function is 3 raised to power
Yes, sir.
root n log 2n.
Root n 2 log n.
Root n log 2n.
Okay.
Log base 2n. तो
So can
फर्स्ट
you
वाले
repeat
में
the? Yes,
फर्स्ट
sir.
वाले में n की पावर पर है रूट n और 3 मल्टीप्लाई में है.
Okay.
सेकंड में जो भी है वो सारा 3 की पावर है. रूट n इंटू लॉग बेस 2n जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई में है. आपको इसको मुझे एसिम्प्टोटिकली कंपेयर करके बताना है कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है या क्या है.
Okay, sir. Sir, it will be F1 will be the best, I mean, omega of f of 2, sir.
So according to you, f of 2 will be bigger. Sorry, f2 will be bigger.
No, sir, actually f of 2 will be smaller.
Okay, so 3n raised to power 3 into n raised to power root n will be bigger.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you convert this into hexadecimal for me? 100101.
Sir, can you repeat once again, sir? Sorry.
100101.
Yes, sir.
.110.
So 25.8. So if the input is 100.101.110, then it's 25.8, sir.
25.8.
8.
ये 8 कैसे बनाया?
Sorry, 6, sir. I'm sorry, 6.
ओके, तो 110 को डायरेक्टली हेक्साडेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. उसके लिए 4 का पेयर नहीं चाहिए होता है.
सॉरी सर, ये सर, लेकिन सर आगे मैं 2 बिट जोड़ दिया सर, क्योंकि उसमें तो 4 बिट ही चाहिए, तो आगे का सर मैंने 2 बिट जोड़ दिया 00. तो सर
दूसरी साइड क्यों नहीं जोड़ा फिर?
सॉरी सर,
दूसरी साइड डेसिमल के बाद भी तो 4 चाहिए ना?
यस सर, लेकिन सर बात है कि अगर हम उसके आगे जोड़ देंगे तो वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर लिस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट में हमेशा जोड़ेंगे तो वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट में जोड़ेंगे तो वैल्यू सेम ही रहेगा, मतलब कोई वैल्यू डिफर नहीं करेगा.
तो अगर मैं लीस्ट डेसिमल के बाद
यस सर.
0110, चलो छोड़ो. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, तुम्हारे पास कोई वो दी है, एक क्या कहते हैं, एरे दी है 34,8,64.
सो व्हाट इज दिस? ये क्या
एरे है, एरे 34,8,64
ओके सर.
51,32
स्टार्टेड टू डेज. ओके सर.
64, 51, 32, 21.
ओके सर.
सेकंड आइट्रेशन, अगर मैं 2 आइट्रेशन करता हूं इंसर्शन सॉर्ट की,
ओके सर.
तो क्या मेरे पास रिजल्टिंग एरे आएगा?
सर सेकंड आइटरेशन के लिए ना?
हाँ.
So it will be 8, 34, 64, 51, 32, 2. Second iteration, please.
8,
34,
Okay.
64, 51, 32, 2.
ठीक है. चलो मान लो मैं आपको एक और एरे देता हूं.
Yes, sir.
10, 5, 4, 3, 6.
Yes, sir.
20, 60, 55.
26.
20, 60, 55.
Okay, sir.
ये एक बाइनरी सर्च ट्री का प्री ऑर्डर है.
Okay, sir.
So what will be the post order for in order for the tree?
Sir, it will be 3, 5, 4, 5. सीधे सॉर्ट कर दे रहे हैं सर, वही सॉर्ट कर देता हूँ सर.
ठीक है, चलो अगला बताओ फिर. मान लो मैंने आपको एक फंक्शन दिया 1/1 - x.
Okay, sir. A 1 minus x. Yes, sir. Function is 1 minus x. Okay.
1 डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस एक्स.
Okay, sir.
इस फंक्शन का जो डेरिवेटिव होगा,
Yes, sir.
उस डेरिवेटिव को अगर मैं जनरेटिंग फंक्शन मानूं तो सीक्वेंस क्या मिलेगा मुझे?
So it will go like x to the power 0 minus x to the power 1 plus.
What will be the derivative of the function?
So actually I'm generating function, so actually just saying, sir, I just 1 minute.
मुझे सीक्वेंस चाहिए. सीक्वेंस क्या होगा?
So it will be x to the power 0 minus x to the power 1 minus x by 2.
सीक्वेंस नंबर सीक्वेंस चाहिए मेरे को.
1 minus 1 by minus 2. So it will like go like this. Actually value put करते चले जाएंगे x equal to 3 के लिए, x equal to 4 के लिए. आंसर यहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या होगा, 1 से स्टार्ट होगा, वो x for 1 वैल्यू डिफाइन नहीं होगा, सो वो नहीं आएगा इसमें सर, क्योंकि डिफाइन नहीं होगा उसके लिए. ना उसके बाद सर जितना फिर वैल्यू विल बी 1 by 1 minus 3, then 1 by minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. It will go like this, sir.
ओके, लेट मी गिव यू योर फीडबैक. तो देखो यार, आपको रिवीजन की बहुत जरूरत है. अभी आप बहुत सारे स्नैप और मॉक दोनों दे चुके हो, बट अभी भी मेरे को कोई, जब आप पहले मॉक में आए थे उससे लेके अभी तक कोई खास इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं लगा है. उतने ही क्वेश्चन आपके गलत होते हैं. आपको जो कंपैरिजन के लिए बोला वो दोनों एसिम्प्टोटिकली सेम है.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. उसके बाद आइट्रेशन वाला सही था, एल्गो वाला सही था. अब ये जनरेटिंग फंक्शन को इतना ज्यादा बड़ा ब्लंडर कराया आपने डिराइव करा होगा, तो डिराइव करके क्या निकला? 1 by 1 minus x का होल स्क्वायर.
सर मैं एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन गलत सुन गया था सर.
चलो जो भी है, कभी भी वैल्यू पुट करके सीक्वेंस नहीं निकलता है जनरेटिंग फंक्शन में यार. अगर 1 by 1 minus x का मैं तुम्हें बोलूं सीक्वेंस क्या है, तो तुम 1 0 2 1 2 3 4 5 करके थोड़ी उसको x को पुट करके सीक्वेंस निकालोगे. तब सीक्वेंस आएगा 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, और इसका डेरिवेशन करोगे तो वो बनेगा 1 by 1 minus x का होल स्क्वायर. तो वो सीक्वेंस बनेगा 1 2 3 4 5. ये जनरेटिंग फंक्शन बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं चलता है कि तुम वैल्यू पुट करो और आंसर आ जाएगा. नहीं, उसके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं और उसका कुछ फंडा होता है. ठीक है. तो आपको ये, और मैथ तो वो पूछेंगे ही.
ओके सर.
आप साइंटिस्ट की पोस्ट के लिए जा रहे हो, सीएससी में जा रहे हो, कंप्यूटर साइंस का तो बेस ही मैथ्स है. तो अगर मैथ्स नहीं आएगा तो कैसे चलेगा? तो यार थोड़ा मतलब जितने भी दिन बचे हैं उनमें बहुत ज्यादा आपको खींचने की जरूरत है.
ओके सर.
रशिका मैम, आप ओवर टू यू मैम.
Okay. So, Romil, what is an OSI model?
Ma'am, OSI model is a logical model which is which performs certain function to forward the perform certain operation on the data, so that it can forward the packet to the network.
Okay. Can you tell the protocol data unit at each layer?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's at on application layer it is telnet FTP, and transport layer it is DNS, UDP and TCP, and on network layer.
I am asking protocol data unit.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. First is, ma'am, on application on transport layer it is called segment. On network layer it is called packet. On then on data link layer it is called it is PDU, and on physical layer it is called
PDU is called as PDU.
Sorry, ma'am. MTU, ma'am. Sorry, MTU, ma'am.
What is MTU?
Maximum transmission unit. That is, ma'am. Framing is done over there. Frame, ma'am. It is called.
Okay.
And then on physical layer, ma'am. Actually, it's and bit. It is already is bit and transmitted, ma'am.
Okay. All other layers, I think only 4 are there, right? You told only 4. Other layers are also there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I told 5, ma'am. Actually, I forwarded our presentation and session. Presentation, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, there is same, ma'am. Actually,
Application layer. What is the PDO on application layer?
ma'am. Actually, an application is just a data, ma'am. Actually, this is just a minute data. I mean,
Okay. How data flows in OSI model?
can you repeat?
How data flows in OSI model?
Okay, ma'am. What happened, ma'am? Whenever the packet, whenever data from application layer pass to transport layer, then over there, over the port number is attached to the segment. First, the data is divided, segmentation is done over there. First, when in application layer, data pass to transport layer, segmentation done. Then after segmentation, port are attached, port number attached. And then after the attaching port number, it is passed to the network layer where it is segmentation, fragmentation, where it is divided into packets, and packet identification number, IP address, all these fields are attached. Destination IP address are attached, and then it forward to the data link layer where it is attached, where it attached the MAC address of the source and destinations, and then it is passed to the physical layer where it is transmitted.
Okay. And when we go to the receiver, then what is the sequence?
Ma'am, this sequence, it will start from the physical layer. Then the physical layer where it will convert from the signal to, from bit to signal. And sorry, ma'am, it was from signal to bit, and then bit will be, and this bit will pass to the next data link layer where it will be remove the frame header and frame, and then it will pass it to the network layer where it remove the datagram, remove the IP header, and this datagram, after removing the header, it will pass to the transport layer where it remove the TCP header or UDP header, whatever it is, and after this, ma'am, it pass to the application layer, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose you have sender and receiver, and there are 2 intermediate routers between them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many times the packet will visit data link layer?
No, 6 times.
Okay. So what is network security?
Network security is actually is a method to provide a security to the data by either changing providing security to the network by either providing certain transformation on data, or or detecting the malicious activities.
Okay. What are the principles of network security?
Ma'am, principle of network security should be it should be authentic. Between sender receiver, it should be authenticated sender receiver, and when the data transmitted between them, between sender authorized sender receiver, should be data integrity should be maintained. Means no modification should be done, and confidentiality should be maintained, means only intended receiver should read this. And these are the principles of the network security. And if there is a security breach, should be able to detect it. Ma'am,
What is a digital signature?
digital signature is a technology. Actually, it's a mechanism to ensure that the data is coming from the authorized user or authorized sender.
How is it done?
Ma'am, data actually, ma'am, what happened? Message is taken, and actually there's an algorithm, either SHA or MD5. What happened is passed to the message is given as an input, and key, and then private key is given. I mean, first given input as a message, it will produce an output as a one key value, and then it will be encrypted with the private key. And it is attached to the message, actual message, and it is transmitted to the network, and then network receive it and transmit to the network and then received by the receiver. And then after that message is first what happened, the message is again passed to the hash algorithm, then it will be turned to it will produce a hash value and it decrypted with the public key. And then it is matched with the actual received digital signature and this signature, which is computed now, and that's why it's verified, man.
Okay, and why is it used for?
Ma'am, it is used for providing authorizations. Authorization, ma'am. I mean, to show there is authentication. I mean, authentication is maintained in the network, means who is authorized to send it is able to send. No one's in the middle able to impersonate the message, and it's like that, man. It's because of this, man. If impersonation of the impersonate like it's an actual send authorized user. So to prevent this, ma'am, digital signature is used.
Have you heard non-repudiation? What is it?
Ma'am, actually, the non-repudiation, it is whoever the host who is the originator of the message should not deny later on that it not intended to transmit the message. So I mean, they should not show the intention of transmitting the message later on. Whoever the originator of the message is should not show the intent of not transmitting the sending the message.
Okay. So let's come to the feedback, Romil.
Yes.
OSI model PDU, you told all were correct. Only application layer message is used as a PDU in application layer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then that yes, when you are telling the data flow, you should say that header it is attached, not like that this IP address is attached or like this. Okay, TCP header is attached,
Okay, ma'am.
or data link layer header is attached, because more data is there, na, apart
Yes.
from
Okay.
IP address and this port number,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So you should say that it is the header.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus the packet will visit data link layer. That answer you told it correct, that it will visit 6 times data link layer. That was correct. Digital signature, I asked for the principles of network security, so there were like more points in that.
Okay.
I think this confidentiality, integrity, availability, non-repudiation,
Yes,
access control, these
non-repudiation, I
things
didn't say.
should have been.
Yes.
You didn't say these points. So these all points are the principles only. And the digital signature is actually what you told was very like confusing.
Okay, ma'am.
So it is like a sender is employing some private key cryptography to send a signed message to the receiver.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and the sender will use his or her private key to open this message.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? So this is the digital signature actually,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
it is mainly used for non-repudiation, that the intended receiver should only see the message.
Okay, ma'am. through this, ma'am, is also able to maintain authentications and non-repudiations.
Yes, authentication, privacy, integrity, these all things are maintained, but the main focus is like non-repudiation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I think you can revise more in that, especially in this part, like network security part. I felt that it was not very good. You can revise more and answer better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Tyagi sir.
ओके रोमिल,
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा डाटा साइंस, एआई, ब्लॉकचेन के बारे में हल्का हल्का हिंट अगर ले सकते हो तो ले लो।
Okay, sir.
मतलब ज्यादा नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आइडिया होना चाहिए, जो भी कंप्यूटर साइंस के एरियाज है ना ये।
Okay, sir.
हाँ, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, इन सब, क्योंकि इनमें सब में डीआरडीओ डील काम कर रहा है ना।
Okay, sir.
हाँ, तो किसी भी एरिया में तुम्हें वो डाल सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि तुम इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी में कर रहे हो तो उसी में तुम्हें काम मिलेगा।
नहीं सर, ये सर।
हाँ, ठीक है ना।
सर एक चीज पूछना। जी सर, यस।
स्टार्टिंग में जो कुछ नॉन टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ तो ज्यादा लंबे आंसर नहीं करने, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना।
ओके सर।
हाँ, थोड़ा सा कट करके, मतलब पॉइंट टू पॉइंट जितनी बातें पूछी जा रही है वो बताओ।
ओके सर।
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे थे तुम?
सर एक्चुअली पूछना था कि जैसे अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि तुम एक्चुअली कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है या किस प्रोजेक्ट में काम करना चाहते हो। सर एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ देखा था सर, जैसे सर डिजाइन एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्रोटोकॉल स्टैक फॉर द अंडर वाटर कॉस्टिक सेंसर नेटवर्क। तो सर ये प्रोजेक्ट मतलब
अगर से पूछते हैं और तुम्हारी नजर में है प्रोजेक्ट तो बता दो, फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके सर। तो सर इस पे कुछ रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन भी जानना है सर?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन साथ में एडिशनल मतलब ओपन टू अदर वर्क भी बोल देना।
ओके सर। ओके सर, श्योर सर।
अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो ये आपको मतलब इसमें काम करना अच्छा लगेगा।
ओके सर।
जिस भी एरिया में मुझे मतलब रेस्पॉन्स दी जाएगी, आई कैन वर्क।
ओके सर।
ठीक है।
ओके सर।
हाँ, ऐसे बोलना है, लेकिन अपना इंटरेस्ट भी बता सकते हो कि ये है तो मैं इसमें अच्छे तरीके से कर सकता हूँ, रिलेटेड चीजें हैं मेरे जो मैंने काम किया हुआ है। ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
हाँ, बाकी सब्जेक्ट को अच्छे तरीके से प्रिपेयर करके रखो, तो सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे।
ओके सर।
और डीआरडीओ के चीफ के बारे में पढ़ लेना कौन है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है। और डीआरडीओ के जो भी प्रोडक्ट है उनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन रखो।
ओके सर।
ठीक है। रिसेंटली जो भी काम किए गए हैं उनके द्वारा थोड़ा उनके बारे में पढ़ो।
ओके सर।
कोई डीआरडीओ का मिशन अनसक्सेसफुल हुआ हो कोई प्रोडक्ट, उसके बारे में पढ़ो।
ओके सर।
बस उतना कर लो, बाकी फिर अपना ठीक है।
ओके।
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।